What I have here from a restoration shop is a whole bunch of Ford Mustang Falcon Ranchero Comet from 63, I would say up to say 68, 73. There's all kinds of different exhaust manifolds. They're all 20 bucks each. So there's one there. And then you have this one here, that one there, these two here. Okay. There we go. My name is Paul. I'm in 54th Ave at 248th Street in Aldergrove, BC. Come check my stuff out. I got a whole pile of more Mustang stuff, finished stuff to blow out. So come check it out. Talk to you later. Bye.